Z Series can be equipped with 4 centrifugal nozzles to spring together and realize front or rear spray. The installation steps are as follows. Cable installation. Step 1. Disassemble the 2 centrifugal nozzles, disconnect the connecting, and remove the nozzle cables from the drums. Step 2. Insert 1 to 2 nozzle adapter cable on the rear circuit board and the long one connect to the right socket. Then thread the other 2 wires to the front. Remove the buckle to thread the wires and the water hose into the M1 and M2 arms respectively. Note the water hose should be behind the arm. Then restore the motor signal lights in the buckle. Step 3. Insert another short 1 to 2 cable into the left socket of the rear circuit board and pass it through the M3 and M4 arms. Then insert it into the motor socket and restore the nozzles. Nozzle installation. Step 1. Install the centrifugal nozzle under the arms of M1 and M2. Disassemble the nozzle and then pass the wire through the bracket. Ensure that the notch faces upward, then fix it with screws. Step 2. Connect the cable to the nozzle and fix the nozzle and the bracket with screws. Step 3. Insert the water hose into the pneumatic connector. Water hoses installation. Step 1. Disconnect the water hoses at the bottom of the tank and connect a T to the water hose at the M3 arm. Then use a water hose to connect the outlet of flow meter. Step 2. Pass the water hose from the bottom of the tank to connect the T. Another end to connect the hose at M4 arm by an elbow. Step 3. Connect a water hose to another flow meter outlet, then passing through the bottom of the tank and connect it to the M1 arm water hose by a T, and the other end connects to the M2 arm water hose by a water hose and an elbow. Spring debugging. Open the EFT Agree app. In the spring settings, select the 4 nozzles mode and choose Auto mode. Then, take off the drone and press button B to start spring. Take the flight direction as the front and ensure that always the rear 2 nozzles keep spraying. If choose All Open mode, press B, and after the drone takes off, 4 nozzles will spray simultaneously during the flight. No matter which mode of 4 nozzles spray, always we select the spring modes as fixed or as follow speed. Once all 4 nozzles are spraying properly, the debugging is complete.